Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Jo Ashley and this is my channel, The Makeup Enthusiast. Today's video is how I do my eyebrows, and yes, I did a tutorial on this look. It's separate, but right now it's just how I do my eyebrows. If you want to learn how to achieve these eyebrows, in my opinion, they're between Instagram brows, which are bold brows, and natural brows. It's like right in between. But yeah, if you want to learn how to achieve or create or fill in your brows, please keep watching. Hi guys, today's video is going to be how I do my brows, and I alternate my products a lot, but I have found some that I really do like. Benefit brow line, specifically the Eyebrow and the Eyebrow. I'm more of a pomade kind of girl. I do use the pencil, which is the Precisely My Brow pencil, but I prefer the pomade. I feel like one of the most important things ever, which is a really good eyeliner brush. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner brush, and I've used it so much that the name and the name of the brush and the company washed away or came off. I do have Anastasia Beverly Hills brow products, and I love it. Don't get me wrong, I love her products. I just like alternating my products, and right now the ones that I'm using the most are the Benefit brow products. So yeah, let's get into it. I also like to apply their Bravo conditioning primer. Let's take a minute to appreciate how cute they name their stuff. I don't know what it claims to do aside from conditioning your eyebrows, but I do recommend this. It not only conditions them, but it keeps them in place. I'm just gonna go ahead and start tracing the bottom of my eyebrow. And I'm just gonna trace, go over it. Remember, a little bit of product goes a long way. Because if you put too much product in your brush, it's gonna give you a really either bold brow, if that's what you like, it's perfectly fine, or it's going to make it a little bit hard for you to work with. I'm going to go ahead on top and trace the top part, and I'm just going with the natural shape of my brow. It may look thicker, it's because there's hairs missing, but this is actually the shape of my brow. Guys, it's really important to remember not to touch this, because this part right here can make it or break it. With what's left over here, you can go ahead and just make this little line a little bit stronger, and then just create some hairs in the front. I'm gonna go and trace my brow, and to y'all this might look crazy, but once you put on your foundation, it's gonna be like you didn't do anything. Like it's like this didn't exist. If anything, it's gonna highlight your brow bone a little bit. And I'm just going to blend that in.
Trying not to touch where I have just painted my brows on. I'm just going to blend that out.
Now, this is the final product. If you feel like there's anything missing, you can just go over it. But this is pretty simple. It took me 6 minutes without editing. Now I'm going to go do my other eyebrow. Well guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how I fill in my eyebrows. Like I mentioned before, I feel like they are in between the Instagram brow, which is that typical bold brow, really filled in, and the natural brow. I feel like I just followed the natural shape of my eyebrow, but I did fill them in a little bit more, but not so much in my opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm going to be doing more videos. I was a little bit lost or consumed with work with my new class, and I was like, oh, I need to, because one of my New Year's resolutions was to make more videos. So watch more tutorials or anything. Like my next video is going to be a makeover for my bathroom, and I live in an apartment, so it would be an affordable bathroom makeover. So if you want to see that, do like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing and learning how I fill in my brows, and that it was helpful in some way to you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe.